I was looking to gain some solid understanding of data analytics tools, and I was fortunate to connect with Piyush on LinkedIn. Piyush showed me the syllabus of his course, which included training in SQL, Microsoft Business Intelligence tools like SSIS, SSAS, SSRS, and Power BI. Piyush has a great understanding of these technologies and is able to provide practical examples for each topics. He keeps you engaged throughout the class by asking interview-level questions. He has tons of assignments for you to practice the materials that he covers. Piyush also has a vast amount of resources that can help you crack interviews, and he is also super helpful with creating your resume and portfolios. He's always prepared for his class and uses the time of the session very effectively. He's flexible and works around your schedule. Please consider Piyush for all your data analytic training needs. He will surely help you to overcome all your doubts, and you will feel more confident and comfortable.